This solution is essentially an automatic changeover switch. It automatically switches your connected load between the national grid or NEPA and your generator set. But it does more. Stick around and I'll show you. This solution is smart. It has got Wi-Fi connectivity so that it can be integrated into your home Wi-Fi network, affording you remote access on your smartphone from any location in the world. And as you can see, I have my wireless router set up here to provide an internet connection. And there's my Alexa speaker, because this system does respond to voice commands. I'll show you how that works in a bit. Let's talk about the panel exterior real quick. So on the first row, you've got indicator lamps. The red one is for the national grid. The blue one is for the single phase outputs that goes into your home. And the green indicator lamp is for your genset. In the middle right here, you've got a digital voltmeter, which displays the voltage of the output in volts. And down below, you've got a pair of switches. The one on the left is for the grid, and the one on the right is for your genset. So you can literally turn on and turn off the grid by operating this switch. Watch. Press it again and it turns off. See? Our gen is up and then it's off again. Now you can also access and control these switches from your smartphone via the app, or if you have a virtual assistant like Alexa right here or Google Home, you can use voice commands. Watch. Alexa, turn on the generator.
Okay.
There you go. So to turn it back off, just say the magic words. Alexa, turn off the generator.
Okay.
But there is more. So what happens when you're running your genset and the grid is restored? So let me tell you what happens so that you don't miss it when it does happen. When you're running your genset and the grid is restored, your connected load is switched over from generator power to the national grid, and your generator shuts down. So let's see how that works. Pay attention to the blue indicator lamp. Alexa, turn on the grid.
Okay.
Did you see that? So the grid is on now and the genset has been shut down. So let's turn off the grid for now. Do you know that you can create schedules for the operation of your generator? Do you know that you can set timers? For instance, if you want to run your generator for just 1 hour, all you have to do is set a timer for 1 hour on your smartphone, or you can say the magic words. Watch. Alexa, turn on the generator for 10 seconds.
Okay, I'll turn on the generator for 10 seconds.
Count down. After 10 seconds, the generator should shut down. So that's how the timer works. So you can also create routines, right? For example, if you want your generator to run at a certain time of the day, you can preset that event to occur. For instance, Alexa, turn on the generator every weekday at 7 p.m.
Okay, I've created a routine to turn on the generator every weekday at 7 p.m.
I'm sure you heard that feedback. So stick around. Trust me, there's more. There's an interesting feature I'd like to talk about. It's called AMF, or automatic mains failure. So this feature allows your generator to start automatically when there is an outage. So the moment public mains or the national grid fails, your generator will start automatically. To achieve this, you need to turn on your generator while the grid is active. As you can see, the generator doesn't crank. It is now in automatic mains failure mode. It is essentially waiting for the national grid to be interrupted, and at that moment your generator cranks. As you can see, the generator is up as a result of the outage on the grid. So of course, when the grid is restored, your connected load is switched over to the grid and your generator shuts down. So you might be wondering, what if I'm not at home? What if I'm out? Will my generator suddenly start running? The answer is no. If you did not already put the generator in automatic mains failure mode, when there is an outage, your generator will not start. So right now, the grid is active and I have not turned on the generator switch to put the generator in automatic mains failure mode. So let's turn off the grid and see if the generator will crank. Nope, it doesn't. So this setting is subject to user discretion. It needs to be a deliberate action. There you have it, guys. A custom-built, all-in-one smart home automation solution that switches your connected load between your power sources. It is inverter friendly, by the way. It allows you to access and control your generator remotely from any location in the world. You can create routines, you can set timers, and you can even monitor the status of your power sources. For instance, Alexa, is the grid on?
The grid is on.
Apparently. Alexa, is the generator on?
The generator is off.
Thanks for watching.